A point cloud is a dataset that defines the shape or structure of an object in space. The base element of a point cloud is the single point. A point represents a specific location in space and is comprised of 3 coordinate values. One or more points makes up a point cloud and can be used to represent the 3D characteristics of objects, both big and small. From kilometers to nanometers, the units are arbitrary and application dependent. When viewed visually via software, a point cloud may look complex or complicated, but the underlying data representation is quite simple. A list, where each row identifies 3 coordinate values for each point. The point cloud is to the 3D scanner what the image is to the camera. Understanding what a point cloud is and how it is structured is fundamental to working with 3D scan data.